ways you can secure your business. There are ways you can secure your business. Now, if you want your business to last for a long time, a lot of businesses that started today, they are closed and vanished. You can no longer see those businesses again. But if you want to secure your business, there are ways, there are things you must do to secure your business. Now, I want to let you know that you should not create multiple businesses without systems and structure. You should not create multiple businesses without system and structure. What do I mean? Don't have more than one businesses if there are no system and structure. If you must have more than one business, let's say 2 business, 3 business, 4 business, there must be a system, there must be a structure. What do I mean by system and structure? Now, system is a system that runs. It means that that system will run without your presence. Your presence is not needed in that particular business. While you are away, where you are not around in that business can flow. There are systems you have created. There are procedures you have put down. There are, step by step buying and selling procedures, either with the systems or either computer or any other thing. But there are systems you have put down that will enable that business to run without your presence. So if you must open more than one business, you must have a system. You must have a system and structure running in that particular business. Of course, you know that every business needs at least 80% of your attention before that business can increase, or before that business can do well. You need to, if you have a business, you need to give that particular business 80% of your attention. Your business should be your priority. So if you must have more than one businesses, there must be a system and structure running. Of course, you know that God himself is the person that instituted, this system and structure. It was from God we learned system and structure. Do you know that a mango tree has a system? God has made a mango tree. He does not need to go back to a mango tree before a mango tree to produce. What is the system of a mango tree? Of course, a mango tree will germinate and grow and bear fruit, and the fruit will fall down, and the seed, it will decay, and the seed will germinate again and grow again and bring another mango. That is a system. That is a structure. God has put it there. All the seeds, they are different businesses. A mango is a business. A pear is a business. Are you hearing me? Coconut is a business. These are businesses that have system and structure. So when they fall, the seed can germinate on itself and bring another seed. It keep growing, it keep germinating, it keep producing. Look at a plantain, for example. You put just a stick of a plantain on the ground. That plantain, before you know it, the system and structure is inside. It will keep growing, keep multiplying. You come in the next 6 months, you come, it has produced about 10 heads. That is God for you. System and structure. So the same thing for us. I know I'm taking time to explain this. The same thing for us. You must have system and structure before you can have a multiple business. Of course, multiple business is what takes you to financial freedom, but you must follow procedure. Another thing you must do to secure your business is that you do not lend money to people. Don't lend money to people. In as much as you're not running a lending money financial institution, you do not lend money to people. You don't use your business money to lend to somebody. And Igbo people could say that of course, the amount you use in collecting money is not the amount you use in paying it. So you don't use your business money to lend to people. That business will crash. To secure that business, don't use your business money to lend to people, because they may end up not giving you that money, and you may end up creating enemies for yourself. Maybe the person comes to buy from your shop, and one day comes to say, please borrow me so amount of money, and you say you're not giving him. At the time, he will not come again. Of course, there's a way you do. You can tell him, look, brother, see, you see all this is in my shop. I borrowed money to put up this shop. I'm still paying. So it's not possible for me to lend you any money for now, because all these things I take it on credit. You explain to the person will insist, I will give it tomorrow, I will give it, and tell him that, please, I beg. Even you beg him not to collect money from you, that it will crash your business. At the end of the day, don't give him, because he will collect the money to bring it to a bigger problem. You after selling, you don't have money to buy another thing. So these are ways you can secure your business. Another way you can secure your business is that don't venture into any business without you having a knowledge of that business. A lot of people, because they have money, they see that the other one is doing fine, they just enter the business without studying that business. No. Even if it's POS business you want to do, go and learn it. Look for somewhere that you're doing it. Go there. There are procedures. There are things you need to know. Somebody can come and dupe you. Are you getting me? So you have to learn. You have to have an idea of any business before you venture into it. If not, it will crash. To secure that business for yourself, go and learn. Even if it is 3 months, even if it is 2 months, make sure you have an idea of any business before you venture into it. In so doing, you'll be able to protect that business. That business will not collapse. Another way you can protect your business is by make sure you secure your capital. Secure your capital with all costs. Your capital is very important. When you are into a business and your capital is not being protected, of course you will fold. That business will not grow. It will fold one day. So make sure that you secure your capital. And what do I mean? For example, you are doing a business and you are doing a buying and selling business. Of course, you need to know how much a particular product is sold in the market, and you need to know where they will buy it. They buy that product cheap so that you can sell. For example, if you want to sell a product and the product is 10,000, of course you need to look for a place where you buy that product at 7,000, 7,500 or 8,000. When you put your transportation and other things, you can be able to sell 10,000 they are selling in the market. So you don't go and buy a product they are selling 10,000. You didn't inquire how much they are selling it in the market. You go and buy it 10,000 and you come back and sell it 8,000, for example. If it's a product that its price varies, sometimes it comes down, sometimes it goes up. You need to find out how this product work. How does if it falls, how does it fall? Does it fall completely or does it fall step by step? All this is what you need to know to make sure you secure your business. Very important. So you must make sure your capital is protected. Anything you do that touch your capital, that business is gone. Another way you can secure your business, of course, is that you must invest back into that business every month. Of course, if you are doing a business and you are making gain, part of that gain must go back to that business every month. Are you getting me? You need to invest back monthly. For example, of course, if you have checked my previous videos, you will see how I told you your income is supposed to be divided into several sections. There are one you invest, there are one you keep in the bank, there is one you put back. So you need to go and watch that my video. So you need to invest in your back to your business every month to make sure to maintain a constant cash flow. If you don't invest every month back to your business, your cash flow will not be constant. You have to keep investing. You have to keep investing. Every month you put in money there. You don't remove, but you put in money. You don't remove, but you find that at a time you come back to that business, so that business have grown. You have been able to produce. Your business is able to produce a lot of incomes for you that will make that business to stabilize. That business will no longer fall. So this is what you do to secure your business. I don't want to make this video too long. I will continue this particular topic, ways you can secure your business. Please watch it at the next video, part 2 of it. I will continue. Please, if you're watching my video for the first time, you're watching me on YouTube, I want you to subscribe to my channel. If you're watching me on TikTok, I want you to follow me. If you're watching me on Facebook, I want you to follow me. Follow me so that you can learn a lot of things, especially those of you who need financial literacy, who wants to be financially free, who is into business. I teach business, I teach financial freedom. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me. Please don't forget, my name is Mefas. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.